Now we're going to review some bread. First up, we got some Udi's soft white bread. Then we got ener-g classic white. Then we got Char Baker white bread. Then we have Canyon Bakehouse country white bread. My mom chose these brands because these are the brands that you would usually see in a supermarket. First up is Udi's. We're using Earth Balance butter. Here we go. The bread is really soft. It's really good. I like it. I give it this brand, a thumbs up.
Okay, no glue tubers. Now I'm going to try the gluten-free bread from the perspective of someone who still eats gluten. So let's look at the consistency here. It's pretty pliable, seems soft. You can poke your finger in it, doesn't come up, which I think is a good sign. So let's see how it tastes. I'll tell you, it does smell pretty good. Wow, I think that tastes really good. The bread is soft and it has a good consistency. I give it a thumbs up.
Okay, the next bread we are going to do is Canyon Bakehouse. Let's take a bite. Tell you what, it's a little bit harder than the other one. It's not as soft. It's pretty good. I just want a thumbs up.
Okay, now I'm going to try the Canyon House White Country Bread. So this consistency is different than Udi's. It's definitely harder, like Luke said. It smushes in, but not as much. So let's see what it tastes like. Taste is good. The consistency feels like it's thicker. It's just thicker than the soft white. That's what it is. But it still tastes pretty good.
Next up, we are going to review the Char bread. Here it goes. It's a little softer than the last one, and it's harder than the first one, Udi's. So, overall, I like this bread.
Okay, from my perspective, okay, not as pliable, kind of similar to Canyon House. Udi's was definitely more pliable. Let's do the finger test here. It doesn't even indent, so that makes me a little nervous, but let's see what it tastes like. Well, overall, the taste is good. It tastes a little like it has like a sourdough to it. It's not called sourdough, but it's almost like just a little soury taste.
Last is the ener-g bread. So let's give it a try. It's not very good. Even with butter. It's just like, it's almost like it's a doughy bread, so I don't like this product.
Okay, so it's not floppy. It's very, very thick and dense. When you push down on it, it does make an indent, but it's kind of hard to push down on it because it just seems really thick. Okay, here we go. It's not like fluffy bread. The taste is okay. It does also taste a little soury. Normal gluten bread is very soft and airy. This is not soft and airy. This is dense. So this is an X for me too. Ricky, if you could rank the breads, which one is your favorite?
I like, drumroll please,
Udi's! Yes, I have to agree. So there you have it, everybody. It's Udi's for the win. So we chose Udi's for the win. The one thing I do want to mention about Udi's is that a lot of times when you get this bread, You'll see little holes in it or it's just a little cracked. I think that is because it might have been sitting in the freezer. It's seriously the closest to real bread that I think you're going to get. It just overall performs like a real piece of bread. So if you are looking for a sandwich type bread, definitely go for Udi's. Toast many gluten-free breads you can toast up and they just taste fine. I think the Canyon House would be a good choice for toasted bread, so there you have it.